Crypto.com, payments platform, seeks to accelerate the world's transition to cryptocurrency. The MCO token sale was conducted between May and June of 2017 and raised $26.7 million. MCO has a circulating supply of 15.8 million tokens and trades on many global exchanges. Crypto.com is headquartered in Hong Kong. Crypto.com price today is $8.31, with a 24-hour trading volume of $3.81 million, market cap of $131.28 million, and market dominance of 0.01%. The MCO price increased 100.35% in the last 24 hours. Crypto.com reached its highest price on April 16, 2021, when it was trading at its all-time high of $74.02. The lowest price since its ADH was $3.45, cycle low. The highest MCO price since the last cycle low was $10.65, cycle high. The Crypto.com price prediction sentiment is currently bullish. Crypto.com's current circulating supply is 15.79 M MCO out of max supply of 31.59 M MCO. The current yearly supply inflation rate is 0%, meaning 1.00 MCO were created in the last year. In terms of market cap, Crypto.com is currently ranked number 79 in the Ethereum ERC20 token sector. The price of Crypto.com in the ICO was 64 cents and the token sale ended on June 18, 2017. Since then, MCO price increased 13.18x against US dollar, increased 4.94x against Ethereum, and increased 1.82x against Bitcoin. Crypto.com price in US dollar has increased by 34.12% in the last 1 month. MCO is up 157.78% against Ethereum and up 122.48% against Bitcoin in the last 1 month. The top performing year for Crypto.com was 2017, when the price of MCO increased by 913.97% from $1.52 to $15.40. The worst performing year for Crypto.com was 2018, when the price dropped by -85.48% from $15.40 to $2.24. The average yearly growth of Crypto.com over the last 6 years is 251.48% per year. Usually, Crypto.com performs best in Q2 with an average of 74.45% gain and worst in Q1 with 13.67% gain. According to our current Crypto.com price prediction, the value of Crypto.com is predicted to drop by -13.48% and reach $7.17 by July 5, 2022. According to our technical indicators, the current sentiment is bullish, while the Fear and Greed Index is showing 11, extreme fear. Crypto.com recorded 15/30, 50% green days with 17.03% price volatility over the last 30 days. Based on our Crypto.com forecast, it's now a good time to buy Crypto.com. Based on today's classical pivot point, with the value of $4.28, Crypto.com has support levels of $4.01, $3.82, and the strongest at $3.55. Similarly, Crypto.com resistance levels are at $4.47, $4.73, and $4.92.